moldy spots only appear on the metallic base coat. If aluminum pigments in the base coat are arranged unevenly and partial places are too wet or too dry, it will make partial light reflection different, which brings uneven colors, just like clouds or spots. Reasons. 1. Spraying environment in baking room is unsuitable. 2. Inappropriate thinner. Evaporation velocity is too slow or quick. 3. Inappropriate thinner ratio. Viscosity is too low or too high. 4. Choose incorrect spraying method or wrong gun. Precautionary measures. 1. Suitable spraying conditions should be applied. Setting of spraying environment and gun. 2. Choose proper thinner and mixing ratio. 3. Correct spraying technique should be used. Solutions. After spraying the clear coat, use P500 for dry sanding and P1000 for wet sanding. Then, spray again according to the precautionary measures mentioned above.